Just one. Welcome aboard, everyone.
What exactly is ALGO, and why do our traders absolutely love it?
Michael Othrew. Are you ready? It is Friday. Let's get hyped up a little bit here. Oh, I am feeling a little tired this morning. I'm doing a self-assessment here. Let's get the full auto kicked on in a proper way. I'm going to kick on smalls and go ahead and turn on full auto there. Now, what I'm noticing just right off the bat, well, first of all, let me back up and remind everyone that it is contract rollover next week. So that means we are going to have some major shifting, and we already kind of have over the last few days. You can tell from the amount of volatility, the up-down movement. Don't forget the analogy that I have shown you guys multiple times in our trainings. Bucket 1, bucket 2. We're currently over here on the 06 contract. They're going to be moving everything over to the 09. What the benefit of this time point, in my opinion, on all-time highs, we know that they're net long because they have bought. Well, if they need to shift over into the other contract month and they have owned all of these because they have bought them, what do they have to do? They have to sell these first before they can get the transfer over, and then they have to, if they want to refill this up, they have to buy it again. So you're going to have a big shifting point. Even if they want to return to their current positions and want to be net long, they got to sell. Somewhere in here, they got to sell. You get my point? Because at the end of the day, they could sell and still sell. Like if they're like, well, okay, we don't want to be net long in that quarter because, I don't know, a nuclear war on the horizon with Russia, or I don't know, Joe Biden poops his pants every time he goes into public. I don't know, take a reason. Okay, but somewhere in here the shift is going to occur, and I don't know, I don't really look at daily volumetric levels. It may have already occurred. We saw some craziness, but look at this right now. It's happening right now. You can see the exchange of hands. Look how this is a higher time frame, and it's looking like this now. So that means each one of these bars internally to the 89, the highest time frame, is getting exchanged a lot right now, right? So it's a Friday. We want to be early in, early out. Be out by 10 a.m. We got 7 minutes till the open, but just some things to keep in mind while you're taking trades, especially if you are a long-term holder or hold trades longer than I do, because I don't like to hold trades for very long. I want to get in and out. I'm here to play a video game. There are still some people that, for whatever reason, want to still philosophize about their trading. That is absolutely fine. You can do you, but if you want to do me, I trade like a video game. I'm in, I'm out. I want to take my shots, grab some bags, and play it like a video game, and that's how you can improve. Humans have played games of some type for forever. If you look at the gamification of life on any TED Talk, you know, they have that all the time, and We got a great video on that if you guys want to go check that out as well. Sorry, I'm babbling on here this morning because we've got a few minutes to kill. And where is this OneDrive thing all weird? Unpin. Okay, and I need the 5 cam sheet here. All right, so as I'm approaching the markets like a video game, I want something visually to kind of tell me how many trades I'm on. So I want 5 lives like I do in a video game. Visually, mentally, I want to think about 5 trades, and within that 5 trades, I like to think that if I were mentoring my younger version of myself, I tell myself within 2 trades, within 2 of those wins, I need to have made enough money to be satisfied. What does satisfied mean? This is something that you need to define for yourself. In fact, since we have a few minutes to sit here and chat for a moment, and let's put this in the green here. Think about, what is satisfaction to you? What is satisfied? When are you satisfied with your trading? It obviously has to do with a certain P&L number. People try to pretend like it's not. People don't like to talk about money. Well, I think they're stupid. Okay? It's just my philosophy on things. I think that money guides a lot of things in your life, particularly around your family. If you've got a family, you have to think about, well, you know, can I pay for my kids, whatever? You know, maybe it's not college yet because maybe they're young like mine. But what about putting the food on the table? What about, I don't know, taking them to the trampoline park? What about taking them to, you know, some kind of vacation or whatever? Getting them in private school, right? Because I would put them in public right now. Public schools are retarded. But what level of P&L are you going to be satisfied with for your lifestyle? You have to think about it that way. So what's that number? Figure it out. I don't know how. There's lots of ways to figure that out. Figure out, well, first of all, budget. I don't know why they don't teach kids to do budgeting much, but I've heard so many people when you ask them, like, well, you know, what's your monthly budget? Well, I don't really do a budget. That's really stupid. You at least need a ballpark of your majors. Okay, whether it's your rent or your mortgage, start there. Do you have a car? Do you pay for a car? Do you own the car, etc., etc.? Food, figure out how much you're spending. Then maybe divide it by numbers of days, and it can't just be days per month. You can't just go, oh, no, divide by 30. No, there's only 20 trade days in a month, max. 4 weeks, 5 days a week. Okay, you can only trade 5 days right now, unless you're trading crypto, of course. But so divided by 20, figure out what's your daily take home. What do you need? Well, that's where my $500 sheet came from. That $500. At the time when I was figuring this out, when I was going to go, okay, I'm sitting down and do this seriously. I was 28 years old at that time. I said, okay, I'm going to get serious about this. At that time, I was, you know, making 6 figures, and I was like, about $500 a day is what I would need to be satisfied with trading, right? My wife at the time looked at me like I was crazy. Like, you're going to give up your 6-figure salary to do what? It's not really give it up. It's like, let's make sure. You remember I'm not retarded, right? Well, I think you should shut it. But there we go. So what's your satisfaction level? What's that number? Because I can tell you, if you overtrade and you keep going into this game is like a bull. If you have ever looked into bull riding, I don't know, it's one of my fun things to watch on weird shows that I like to watch. My kids have pointed out, oh, Daddy, it's really weird that you like to watch bull riding. I know, it's really weird. But there's something fascinating about it. Like, that bull is such a beast. That thing is, you know, weighs a ton. And you're going to try to ride on it with one hand. All right? You can't use your other hand. And you have to try to hold on to this thing. And the 8-second thing is fascinating to me. Y'all know about the 8 seconds? They don't even count it as a ride if you can't stay on for 8 seconds, right? But if you stay on for 8 seconds, all of a sudden they're like, give the man a hand clap. You made it for 8 seconds. Okay, well, why is that cool? Well, it's because everybody knows the bull's going to win. If you stay in there with the bull will eventually get you off. And if he stomps on you, he will crush you and you're going to die. So now I think about the markets that way a little bit, and the market is the bull. But can we get in there and ride it for 8 seconds? That's what I want to do. All right, that's how I approach my trading. I want to get in, I want to get out, in and out, in and out. The original owner and creator of NinjaTrader actually named NinjaTrader because he liked to think of himself like a ninja. I want to sneak in the markets. Nobody even know I was there, like a little ghost, like in and out, in and out, in and out. So the market does not destroy you, right? Anyhow, hopefully that's helpful to you a little bit. There's 9:30. Here comes the open. I'm letting the tools do the work here for the first few minutes. I like to sit on hands for the first 5 minutes. Watch
NQ on the
how we open up there. A lot of shifting and a lot of exchanging of hands can happen there at the open. And I got my full auto on. There's that major level from yesterday we drew. You're going to sit on hands too.
NQ on the 9.
Help yourself out to remind yourself to not press the buttons by pressing this button. Smash it if you want to win.
Speed of NQ 203.
Yes, thank you, Nikita. And I did. I happened to have remembered today. Thank you, though, for checking on me to check my antivirus. You guys should do the same. Make sure you turn off that real-time protection. Every video game goes slower
Divergence down
if you have this on. Every good gamer knows. Turn that off while you're gaming. Okay, so that's a trap short. Can enter, go long there. Normally without that first 5 minutes, I'd be tapping that long after a smashing drop down real quick. Would love to see an Enigma long somewhere right here would be awesome.
Vim.NQ on the 9. Speed of NQ 155. Speed of NQ 155.
Okay, that's stair stepping down. King timing. Nope. Should have sat on the hands the whole time. Oh, got snapped off of the first one. Have yet to see an Alpha Omega, so that means I need to tune those down. I'm afraid to change it right now, but when the market slows down a bit, I will change it. Okay, got a DCDM target up above me there, gold line target.
Speed of NQ86.
Wow, not a dime more. Nobody cares about VWAPs. Talk about VWAPs again in my room, I'll have you removed.
Speed of NQ97.
All right, that's a full 5 minutes, and we were here even before the open, and not a single Enigma has shown up yet. Time to tune the Alpha Omegas, and let me quickly, I'm going to disconnect briefly before I make this change. That's the safe way to do it. So I click disconnect, go to indicators. So AOs have calmed down. They had to up it the other day because of all the high volatility, but now I'm not seeing any, so we can put this back to our normal levels. I'm setting my threshold values. If you're going to adjust yours, I'm setting 1018 back to our usual. Okay, 19.6 still was not enough. Well, it's because it's a massive one there. What was that, 820 this morning? Wow, okay. So this is clearly some pre-contract rollover movement here. So it's going to be tricky. No surprise, I have had multiple windfall days back-to-backs, and I mentioned this yesterday that after 2 big win days that I kind of owe the market. So we're going to move into a hard day, likely. So I want to hold on to that capital. I'm going to have to be trading a bit more conservatively. And I can even note, even after that first trade didn't work out and the second one didn't give me a penny more than went straight to the gold line target. Then I tried to add a little bit there at the end to see, oh, it might go a little bit farther. No, she said, I don't think so. Okay, so we did get to that white line. I wish I would have kind of tried to shoot for that there. And now the volume's coming in. Let's see, P point up above us.
Target.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 89.
Yeah, P point is at
NQ 6
59950. For the runner. E point achieved. $470, almost to my $500 target there. Beautiful, beautiful stuff.
Yeah, boy!
I'll be right back.
Speed of NQ 59. Speed of NQ94. Speed of NQ94.
Unraveling the scam with ALGO box in my hands, high in demand. Trading algorithms, I'm a beast in this game. No competition, I'm taking names. It's insane, algorithmic precision. Scammers feel the pain. Live streaming daily, exposing the shady friend. Trading triumph, I'm the ruler of the trade. With ALGO box,
Speed of NQ54.
mistake can be made. Wrecking scammers with my live streams every day. Taking on the market, I'm here to stay. Breaking the codes, unraveling the scam. With ALGO box in my hands, high in demand. Analyzing charts and graphs, it's a master plan. I got the upper hand, they can't withstand. I'm a trader on a mission with algos in my hand. Using ALGO box on NinjaTrader, I'm playing the big brand. I've seen all the scams like ICT, bringing false hope. But I'm here to expose them with my trading scope. With my trading scope. Fading algorithms, I'm a beast in this game. No competition, I'm taking names. It's insane, algorithmic precision. Scammers feel the pain. Live streaming daily, exposing
Speed of NQ64.
scammers with my live streams every day. Taking on the market, I'm here to stay. Breaking the codes, unraveling the scam. With ALGO box in my hands, high in trading algorithms, I'm a beast in this game. No competition, I'm taking names. It's insane, algorithmic precision. Scammers feel the pain. Live streaming daily, exposing the shady friend. Trading triumph, I'm the ruler of the trade. With ALGO box by my side, no mistake can be made. Wrecking scammers with my live streams every day. Taking on the market, I'm here to stay. Breaking the codes, unraveling the scam. With ALGO box in my hands, high in demand. Analyzing charts and graphs, it's a master plan. I got the upper hand, they can't withstand. I'm a trader on a mission with algos in my hand. Using ALGO box on NinjaTrader, I'm playing the big brand. I've seen all the scams like ICT, bringing false hope. But I'm here to expose them with my trading scope. With my trading scope. With trading algorithms, I'm a beast in this game. No competition, I'm taking names. It's insane, algorithmic precision.
Speed of NQ66. Speed of NQ66.
Scammers with my live streams every day. Taking on the market, I'm here to stay. Breaking the codes, unraveling the scam. With ALGO box in my hands, high in demand.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 89.
Trading algorithms, I'm a beast in this game. No competition, I'm taking names. It's insane, algorithmic precision. Scammers feel the shady friend, trading triumph. I'm the ruler of the trade.
Speed of NQ62.
By my side, no mistake can be made. Like a scam, my live streams
Alrighty. Not a single Enigma has shown up yet since then. Hold on, I gotta check my Enigma settings. Okay, what are my settings? Should be 2. Yeah, I'm on 2. It's crazy. Still nothing? Okay, like I said, today is going to be very weird because of contract rollover coming. They gotta fill buckets. And because we're at all-time highs, they've got to, even if they don't want to, they've got to dump their contracts.
Speed of NQ71.
Every day. All right, so let's see. Major level we drew from yesterday. Right back to it. Prior close. Just broke through that. These things literally don't even really matter on pre-contract rollover. So all we need to really do now is play what's in front of us.
Divergence down.
Take some setups. Would love to see an Enigma right here. Would be a moonshot. Would be amazing. Oh, it's a big divergence firing off over there on the right.
Speed of NQ79.
Sometimes I like to squeeze this down a bit. It makes these a bit more dramatic. Easier for me to read that way. The majors, because that's what we care about anyway. I'm going to zoom this in a bit.
Enigma long on the NQ2.
Thank you.
Target filled.
Thank you for handing me all that candy. There's my 1200 over 1K on a Friday. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey yo, listen up, got a tale to spin. Not the algorithmic trades where you win or you spend. In a market maze where the bulls and bears collide. ALGO box on Ninja, making trades so wide. Day in, day out, it's the ALGO box flow. Catching pips and dips, this text in the know. Patterns laid out, no guess, no stress. Profits locked in, no mess, pure finesse. But beware the scammers, they lurk, they prey. Promising fortunes, but lead you astray. Stick to the code, the ALGO box creed. We trade with the edge, no scam, just speed.
You are
Upper
on the way.
bands touch NQ on the 89.
Hey yo, listen up. Gotta tell the spin. Nothing algorithmic trades where you win and you spin. In a market maze where the bulls and bears collide. ALGO box on Ninja, making trades so wide. Day in, day out, it's the ALGO box flow. Catching pips and dips. This text in the know, patterns laid the know. No guess, no stress. Profits locked in, no mess. Pure finesse. But beware the skin. I'll be roll.
Speed of NQ56.
No mess, pure finesse. But beware the blue. Pull it back. Promise on the nest, kill fear finesse. Oh mess, pure finesse. Oh mess. But beware the scammers, they lurk, they prey. Promising fortunes, but lead you astray. Stick to the code, the ALGO box creed. We trade with the edge, no scam, just speed. Hey yo, listen up. Gotta tell the spin. Nothing algorithmic trades where you win and you spin. In a market maze where the bulls and bears collide. ALGO box on Ninja, making trades so wide. Day in, day out, it's the ALGO box flow. Catching pips and dips. This text in the know, patterns laid the know. No guess, no stress, profits locked in, no mess. But beware the scammers, they lurk, they prey. Promising fortunes, but lead you astray. Stick to the code, the ALGO box creed. We trade with the
Speed
edge,
of
no scam, just speed.
NQ51.
Oh, so beautimous. All right, was that trade number 4? 4 for 1,200. How many minutes are we out here? 32 minutes. So about $2,400 an hour. Yeah, I'll say that again. $2,400 an hour. Yeah, it's pretty decent. It's actually highway robbery. I really think that I can't believe that trading is an option for people, but it's awesome in my opinion. I don't know anywhere else you can do that.
Speed of NQ52.
Yeah, we did have the 940 to 950 reversal. Somebody had
Short
just
on the NQ2.
noticed someone had mentioned that. So we were tick, come down, boom, touch right there, and then there's 945 reversal, boom, there she goes.
Enigma long on the NQ2.
Exchange of hands there.
CCDM NQ on the 2. Speed of NQ57.
Oh, it's going to cluster me up. All right, close her out. Have yet to see a single green Alpha Omega. Got about 6 minutes till 10 a.m.
I'm taking names, it's insane. Algorithmic precision, scammers feel the pain. Live streaming daily, exposing the shady friend. Trading triumph, I'm the ruler of the trade. With ALGO box by my side, no mistake can be made. Wrecking scammers with my live streams every day. Taking on the market, I'm here to stay. Breaking the codes, unraveling the scam. With ALGO box in my hands, high in demand.
Oh, they're just going to be inching it down. Boo.
Insane algorithmic precision, scammers feel the pain. Live streaming daily, exposing the shady friend, trading triumph. I'm the ruler of the trade.
He cracked that cipher. So be the one there, bruh.
Wrecking scammers with my live streams every day. Taking on the market, I'm here to stay. Breaking the codes, unraveling the scam. With ALGO box in my hands, high in demand. Analyzing charts and graphs, it's a master plan. I got the upper hand, they can't withstand. I'm a trader on a mission with algos in my hand. Using ALGO box on NinjaTrader, I'm playing the big brand. I've seen all the scams like ICT, bringing false hope. But I'm here to expose them with my trading scope. With my trading scope. Fading algorithms, I'm a beast in this game. With competition, I'm taking names. It's insane. Algorithmic precision, scammers feel the pain. Live streaming daily, exposing the shady frame. Trading triumph, I'm the ruler of the trade.
Well, that's highway robbery. It literally snapped right in front of my targets, or target one did not fill.
Streams every day, taking on the market, I'm here to stay. Breaking the codes, unraveling the scam. With ALGO box in my hands, high in demand. Trading algorithms, I'm a beast in this game. No competition, I'm taking names. It's insane. Algorithmic precision, scammers feel the pain. Live streaming daily, exposing the shady friend. Trading triumph, I'm the ruler of the trade. With ALGO box by my side, no mistake can be made. Wrecking scammers with my live streams every day. Taking on the market, I'm here to stay. Breaking the codes, unraveling the scam. With ALGO box in my hands,
Upper bands touch NQ on the 89.
What? Just come on. Come on now. Come on.
DCDM NQ on the 2. DCDM
Target
NQ on the 2.
filled.
Speed up
Target
NQ
filled.
161.
I was like, why am I not getting filled here? It's ridiculous. Okay, it's moving so fast, it's snapping 30. I can't even get in with the snap 30. Come
Upper
on.
bands touch NQ on the 89.
Target.
Dude, come on. Let me fill. Oh my word.
Enigma short on the NQ2.
Let me fill already. I had to go to none just to get in. Ridiculous.
breaking the codes, unraveling the scam. With ALGO box in my hands, high in demand.
Speed up NQ 472. Upper bands touch on the 472.
Craziness. Try to get in short up here. Did you see how fast that was snapping? So stops too tight there to even try to get in on that. Moved so quick.
Fib.NQ
Insane.
9.
Insanity. All right, we got about 9 minutes till 10:10. Try to get to my 4K. Saw my $400 superstition just right then.
Speed of NQ 100
Got the 3,700.
on the 9.
$400 superstition kicking in there. BRZ cross.
CDM NQ on the 2.
Taking on the market, I'm here to stay. Breaking the codes, unraveling the scam. With ALGO box in my hands, high in demand.
Speed of NQ 116.
4K in the chat. Let's do it.
It's insane, algorithmic precision. Scammers feel the pain. Live streaming daily, exposing the shady friends. I'm holding on your tricks. Got me at 10 feet off the ground. Now I'm seeing how you play. ALGO box, you turn it all around.
All right, smash that like button. We got to get to 100 likes if you want me to stay. If not, we'll call it a day. Happy Friday. We've got till the end of this song to get to 100 likes. Or we'll say, see ya.
Speed of NQ 74.
Take another risk, take a trade, take a shot for you. And I need you like a heart needs a beat. Something new, yeah. Make it like a game now, winning every move. And you say follow and then play along. ALGO box, it's true. It's too late to miss the game. ALGO box, it's too late. I said it's too late to miss the game. ALGO box, it's too late. Whoa. It's too late to miss the game. ALGO box, it's too late. Yeah. I said it's too late. ALGO box, it's too late.
Speed of NQ 71. Speed of NQ 71.
It's too late to miss the game. ALGO box is too late. Yeah, I'm holding on your trades. Got me
10 feet off the ground.
ALGO box makes trading like a game. Join us now and see what can be found. ALGO box and never miss the game.
Have a beautiful and fantastic weekend from my family to yours. For me, Pippi, Robbie, Lunchbot, Mod Squad, Curtis, G, and Eddie B. I am sitting out of the big H-Town. See ya! Art team, tell them how it's done.
Divergence of
The
NQ on the
old
9.
adage where, the individual investor doesn't have a chance because the institutional investor has better technology, better information, and, more money and better opportunity. I don't think it's real anymore. I think the edge is on the individual investor because they're small, they're nimble, they can trade, they can use they have better front-end technology.
Don't waste your time. Leave the technical analysis to us. You just play the game.
NQ on the 9. Speed of NQ
Forex is
157.
littered with crooks, black hat guys, all this kind of shifty characters and companies trying to extract money from your pocket and stick it into theirs. And one of the things that they do is operate these Forex signals.
Frozen in my bones. I'll never get tired of the enemy. Got them both pulled tight in front of me. I'm a hunter with an arrow in my hand. Hear the shadows follow me over the hills in the evergreen. Trade my soul for a chance to carry on into the wild.
Delta vibrating. Long, look for long. Harmonic pattern. Pick up. One down on 3.
Into the wild.
Order filled.
Speed of NQ 69.
Filled.
Speed of NQ 69.